Ghost Pacer. Staying motivated to go running regularly and getting the most out of every workout can be difficult, especially when you have to train alone. Ghost Pacer is a device that can partially solve this problem by providing you with a virtual running partner. When the user puts on the glasses, they see a person running next to them. Its parameters can be modified for a mobile application, which opens up many possibilities. Ghost Pacer can be a reference point to help you maintain a constant running speed. It can also project your previous run, allowing you to compete with yourself and see your progress clearly. Ghost Pacer can also project someone else's run so you can race even if your schedule doesn't match that of your friend. Best of all, a hologram can simply run in front of you. Studies have shown that people, on average, run faster and longer if they're trying to catch up with someone. The glasses weigh only 317 ounces, so they don't get in the way during training. The battery life is 6 hours and the pricing starts at $269. GoPro AER. Photography and video enthusiasts never stop thinking of ways to get more interesting and eye-catching images, and that's what led to the creation of AER, a unique accessory for action cameras. The device is a large soft dart made of foam. Its first task is to create resistance with the air and thus slow down the fall. The camera attached to the end of the dart can record very unusual videos. It would hardly be possible to achieve something similar without AER because you could break the camera in case of a hard landing. This is where the second purpose of the invention becomes relevant. The device absorbs the energy of the impact and protects the camera. Note that the data is designed so as to not obstruct the view of the camera either. It's compatible with the vast majority of GoPro Hero models. From the Model 3 Plus through to the Model 9, prices vary by model, starting at $70. Tangible Engine 2. Giving digital information a physical form opens up a huge range of possibilities for people, and Tangible Engine lets you manipulate information by picking up objects and moving them. It's the world's first software capable of recognizing objects on a touch surface. The second version you see on your screen has been improved, so it's more efficient and faster. Tables based on Tangible Engine 2 can be used in many different spheres. The technology will make studying easier, increase productivity at work and even service entertainment while waiting in a restaurant. Ultimate Justice League Batmobile. Thanks to its numerous features and many interesting details, this RC toy will keep its owner busy for hours. The first thing that catches the eye is the roar of the engine, which matches the speed of the vehicle. The second unique feature is the smoke that the Batmobile leaves behind as it moves. The ground clearance can be increased up to 2 inches, increasing the altering capabilities of the toy. The combat system is equipped with a turning mechanism that allows for greater immersion while you play, but that's not all. The included Batman action figure turns the steering wheel while sitting in the cab. There's also a camera installed in the vehicle. It transmits the images to your smartphone, which acts as a remote control, so the Batmobile allows you to enjoy the ride from the driver's perspective. The price is $250. INMO AER. The function of these smart glasses is to create an augmented and enhanced reality in front of the user's eyes. First, they project a screen with standard smartphone apps. For the user, you can check your email and notifications, check the weather, and see your schedule. All of that can be done with the glasses without taking your phone out of your pocket. The fun starts in the kitchen, where the glasses identify the food, indicate its energy values, and help you with a recipe so that you're not distracted from the cooking process. On the street, INMO AER acts as a navigation system. He not only displays a map but also highlights the direction right on the road. And of course, the glasses allow you to make calls, listen to music, and watch videos. You can control them via touch gestures, voice, and even head movements. Pricing starts at $439. reTyre Ice Racer. The days when you had to change tires to increase the off-road capability of your bike are slowly becoming a thing of the past. Today you can get by with these compact, portable tires. When transported, they fit in a small bag and can be carried in a backpack. Ice Racer fits over a standard bicycle tire and attaches with a zipper. Just like that. In a matter of minutes, you can change the tread of the bicycle tire, dramatically increasing traction. Ice Racer is specially designed for snow and ice and features 300 double-sided lugs. Their specially designed heads flex under load, so snow is removed from the tread. As you write, the price is about $90. Gingko Smart Moon Lamp. Now you don't even have to go near the window to enjoy a magnificent view of the moon. Gingko has developed a table lamp that not only looks like the moon, but it can also levitate. The lamp hovers in the air, thanks to the interaction of magnetic fields. There is a special magnet built into the natural walnut or ashwood base. The moon is 3D printed, so it has a textured surface. The realistic look is complemented with a smooth and cool glow. This product costs $210. Booger Salt Shredder. The US company Booger Salt has invented an interesting way to fight insects in the kitchen. It's a pneumatic gun that shoots salt. It's safe for people, but deadly for household pets. According to the manufacturer, Shredder can defeat even large and dangerous creatures such as scorpions and Asian giant hornets. The main thing is not to miss. The price is $125. Beeline Velo 2. It is a tiny device that can nevertheless make your bike commute a hassle-free experience. Beeline Velo 2 is a navigation device that's installed on the handlebars and works with the help of your smartphone. Before you start your journey, you have to choose your destination. Then, along the way, the device will tell you where you need to turn. In addition, the display shows information such as the distance traveled and the distance to the destination, as well as the time from the start of the trip to arrival. The advantage is that it's always in view. The device is not affected by water, dust, cold, or light drops. The battery lasts between 10 and 20 hours, depending on the time of day. The price starts at $89. Story. Levitating devices have an unusual appearance, attract attention, and are therefore becoming increasingly popular and widespread. Story is a levitating clock. The secret lies in the magnetic field, but in this case there's a metal ball flying in the air which acts as the hands of the watch. Story has an elegant design. The clock is made of natural wood. The price is $800. Like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.